Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you guys can collect emails on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now you have a couple of built-in ways in which you can do this. The best that I have found is to use a newsletter sort of footer or whatever segment that you can on your site. So let me just go over into one of my pages. So for example, let's go to this page. This should be an empty page. Yes, it is. And now we can go ahead and click edit. Here we can add a section, and I'll add a blank section just for the purpose of this. And if we go into add blocks, we can add a newsletter section. Once you click this, as you can see, you can edit this however you want. I'll just extend it to the entirety of the page. Pardon me. And now, as you can see, you can click here to edit it. You can edit the form name, you can edit the design if you so choose. You can also edit the storage. I'll just make a stack layout. I'll align it to the left like so. You can choose whether you want it to have a background or not. You can add stroke if you want to around it. Just like this, it's just like a border. You can select the color of the border as well as the thickness. I'll make it small. And you can go ahead and moderate your storage. As you can see, you can enter Squarespace with the confirmational email being off, or you can use other storage options. If you click on Squarespace here, you can set up everything here and you can view it to contacts, and then once somebody signs up to your newsletter, they will have their email stored on the site. You can find it if you go over into your home menu, then go into contacts, and then you can see lists and segments. Click on that, and here you'll see your list. And if somebody actually enters their email and signs up for the newsletter, they will get their email stored into one of these segments, and that is pretty much it. And now if you want to check which customers are there, you can just click here, and as you can see, it opens up the entire mailing list, and then you can select the recipients from there. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.